Unlock the secrets to streamlined project management with this beginner's guide to Jira software. First things first, you'll need to access your Jira instance. Most commonly, you'll be given a URL to a Jira cloud site or a self-hosted Jira server. Enter your credentials and hit login to get started. Once logged in, you'll likely land on your project's dashboard to begin managing a new project. Find and click the Create Project button, usually located prominently in the top navigation or sidebar. Jira offers various project templates for most software development teams. The Scrum or Kanban templates are excellent starting points for this tutorial. Let's select a common software development template. Now, you'll need to configure your new project. Give it a clear and descriptive name, and Jira will automatically suggest a unique project key. This is a short identifier used in all your issue summaries. Choose a project type and board layout that best suits your team's workflow. Welcome to your Jira board. This is where your team will visualize and manage their work. Boards are typically organized into columns representing stages of your workflow, like backlog, to-do, in progress, and done. To add a task or piece of work, click the Create button, usually found in the header bar. This will open an issue creation dialog. Here you'll fill in the details of your task. The summary should be concise, and the description provides more context. Crucially, select the issue type. Common types include story, task, bug, and epic. You can also assign the issue an owner and add labels for categorization. As work begins, team members can drag and drop issue cards across the board columns to reflect their current status. This provides real-time visibility into project progress. Jira excels at collaboration within each issue's detail view. You can leave comments, attach files, and mention teammates to facilitate clear communication and record all project activity. Finally, Jira offers powerful reporting and tracking tools. Explore gadgets on your dashboard to visualize progress, identify bottlenecks, and monitor team performance, ensuring your projects stay on track.